Juice Outdoors. We're 2.5 hours south of Perth, down towards Bussleton, camping, well, sort of on the side of the road. We've just stopped and set up our stretcher tents. I'll show you what they are. Better than a swag because you're off the ground. There's mine in there. So yeah, we'll move the ute back to here. Nice safe spot for it to stay over the night. And tomorrow morning we're going to Bussleton jetty and we're going to dive the sculptures. Let's get wet. This is our campsite from last night. My ute's all decked out for camping and diving at the moment. Alright, we're getting ready to go diving. Let's get wet. Hey, Juice Outdoors with Big Juice. He's the mule today, carrying our gear out to the jetty. I drove down, he gets to carry the gear. I think that's fair. Oh, Mark. Coffee shop when we get back. Right. So it's a 1.87 kilometre walk to where we'll jump in and go diving. It's gonna be fun for him. I'm going okay. All right, let's get wet.
Hop along.
Yeah, hop along. I'm still going okay. Shut up. Later on today I won't be. Okay, here at the end of the jetty, and this is what we're looking for. All these sculptures. I was hoping they might have something to say this is where they are. At least we know what we're looking for. I might actually see a seahorse. Bit of what? Yeah, to tell boats to stay away. I asked last time. So 13 in total. All right, let's get wet. we're back at the car. It was very murky, at 3 to 4 meter visibility. Only saw a couple of sculptures, so hopefully they turned out. We'll find out later. Now we're going to get a cup of coffee and a toasted sarnie. Yeah, maybe do some videos on the way back, see what the countryside's like. All right, till next time, let's get wet.